Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search for a TikTok live. So you can just either press, the live button on the top left corner, but it'll just show you like a random live. And I'm just going to close this first. For instance, you want to search for a live that contains, let's say, food. Press the search button on the top right corner of your screen and type in the word like food, for instance, and then press search. And then scroll to the left and then press on live. And here you can sort of find some live that has food in it. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!